Let's review the difference between positive and negative slopes. A positive slope is when things are going up and you're getting more and more and more. A negative slope is when you're getting less and less and less and less. Given that, if I put all of these random slopes out, let's see if we can find the ones that are positive. Positive is going up this direction right here. Let's see, this one resembles that. You see it's going up that direction. That one's positive. And this one is positive. So here are our two positive slopes. Let's look some more. Make sure these are all negative. It appears that, so this one's definitely negative. It's almost parallel to that one. And then this one, these two, let's see. So this one is completely flat. So we know that would just be 0. This one isn't. I can see that this side is a little bit higher. So actually, it goes down just slightly. So this one is a negative slope. You can clearly see the difference if you look at it side by side. See, it does go down. And obviously, if you look at the whole thing, you see 0 slope, 0 slope. So with that in mind, let's begin our assignment. On this, you are to write whether the slope is positive, negative, or 0. That should say positive or negative or 0. Because I see there's a 0 slope in here. So, yeah, let's check this out. As a reminder, just in case you're not sure, you have any doubts, we'll just look at this. You've got this yourself and you can use it as well. I can see 2 of these are positive and 1 is negative. So positive, positive. So the first one is positive. And the third one is positive. This one, it goes down, like that one goes down, so it's a negative slope. And let's go down and find the one, take a look at these. See if you can see the one that is 0. Just take a moment and look carefully. Do you see which one is the 0 slope? Let's go ahead and do that one together since the directions don't say anything about a 0 slope. It is, if you guessed 8, 8 is the one, it is completely flat. 8 is your 0 slope. There we go. All the rest are either positive or negative. So you can do the rest. The next page that you're going to do is actually write the slopes. I see, looking at this page, that there is there are 2 negatives and there's 1 0 slope. We're going to do half of these together and you'll do the rest yourself. So let's look at number 1. Actually, I'm going to zoom in a little bit. There we go, we'll do 1 and 3. So here's one, I started my point. I cannot go up. I can only go over. So the slope for number 1, the slope is 0. Just in case you forgot, slope is m. So that's the slope of number 1 is 0. You can write m if you want, or you can write the whole word slope, and I'm going to guess you'd rather write m. Now let's go down to number 3 and find the slope for 3. We start here and we go up there. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Up 6. And over 2. Up 6 and over 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So the slope is 3. I can rewrite that so it's a little more clear. The slope is 3. Now let's look down at number 5. Wow, the 2 points they chose sure are far apart. I'm sure I could find closer points, but I'll just go ahead and use the ones that they chose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right there with a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wow. All right, that is the slope for number 5. Remember, when it's the slope, you leave it like that. You don't ever convert it to a mixed number. Number 7, something looks different about number 7. I don't know if you've looked carefully at it, but let's zoom back out and just take a peek at all of them together. You see these? You see this one? This one is a negative slope. It is arched this way instead of this way. So I already know my slope is going to be negative. I'm going to put a great big negative sign right there. Let me start here. I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up 5, and I'm going to the left instead of to the right this time. 1, 2, 3. So the slope for number 7 is negative 5/3. Now on this next half where you're going to do yourself, one of these is negative, the rest are positive. So make sure you find it. Don't forget to identify the ones left over that we didn't do together in here that are positive and negative. And don't forget to use this as much as you need. I'd rather you get them right and use this than try to do it without and get them wrong. Enjoy!